Hey everyone, today we are diving into the world of coding with a classic problem, checking if a number is a palindrome using Python. What is the problem statement? Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. Let's consider an example. Here we have a number 121 and the output is true. If I reverse the number, it will be 1 to 1, or if we read it from right to left, it is also 1 to 1. So we can say this number is a palindrome. In the case of code, we will return true, indicating that this number is palindrome. Let's consider another example, which is a negative number. Since you know that a negative number cannot be a palindrome, so we have to return false. We have another example, which is 10. If we read it from right to left, you can see that it would be a 0 1. So that is not same as the original number, so we will return false. Let's jump into the code, and there you have it. With just a few lines of Python code, we can determine if a number is a palindrome or not. We have a function is palindrome, or a definition that is receiving a integer, and it will return bool based on the code whether the number is a palindrome or whether the number is not a palindrome. We will figure it out. Let's code. First, we have to check that if a number is negative, as in example 2, we have to return false. Let's check if x is less than 0, return false. So first condition is clear. This just check if the number is negative. If it is negative, it will return false. Next, we have to initialize two variables, one reverse number and one is original number. The reverse is equal to 0, initialize a variable to store the reverse integer, and original is equal to x, stores the original value of x before any manipulation. Next, we will declare a while loop that will run until the x is not equal to 0. Starts a while loop that continues until x becomes 0. Inside the loop, we will reverse the integer. Next, x modulus 10. What this line do is basically it extracts the last digit of x by taking the remainder when dividing by 10. Next, we will build the reverse number. The reverse is equal to this line 2 is it reverses the integer x and then it multiplies the current value of reverse number by 10 to shift digits to the left and adds the exact digit to the unit place. The next line divides x by 10. This basically, or this just means that we are doing a integer division. Let's consider an example. If we divide this by 10, it will return a decimal part and an integer part, but we only need the integer part, so we will use the integer division, and the integer division will give us the integer part. After this, we will check if the original number and the reverse number that we have constructed are same. If they are same, we will return true. If they are not same, we will return false. True will indicate that the number is a palindrome, and false will indicate that the number is not a palindrome. Return. Let's run the program. I guess we have to use another name. Let's run again. Okay, here we have to return a capital false. Let's run again. Okay, so our case 1 is accepted, case 2 is also accepted, and case 3 is also accepted. All the cases are accepted, so we can finally submit the program. Our solution is accepted.